We're going to head now to Troy, where shoppers are being turned away from Oakland Mall.
That's right. Our Tierra Braddock is live there. So, Tierra, a lot of people calling us, telling us about flooding at the shopping center. And it's not because of the weather, but likely because of a burst pipe.
So you spoke with the mall's owner. What's he telling you, Tierra?
Yeah, that's right, Glenda and Mike. And right now the mall is not open. So many people, like you said, have to be turned around. When you go up there to the entrance, there's a do not occupy sign right there on the door. And all of this has been started around 2:30 p.m.
We were all just working, and then all of a sudden the fire alarm went off and there was water bursting in, and that's all we know at this time.
Mario Kesey is the owner of Oakland Mall in Troy. He says right now it's believed that the flood is due to a burst pipe.
We just seen it coming in through the former Sears side of the building and just started coming in very quickly.
Kesey says he doesn't know when the mall will be back open.
You know, we have a restoration team here on site right now, and they're mitigating.
How bad is the flooding?
Some of the flooding we've seen is very high.
And Kesey says he's been the owner of the mall for 3 years and haven't seen anything like this. Now, thankfully, no one was hurt during all of this. But again, if you come to the mall, you will be turned away. You can see the Serve Pro trucks right behind me. They do have things roped off. So if you're planning a trip to the mall, you will have to go somewhere else. But for now, live in Troy, Tierra Braddock, 7 News Detroit.
All right, Tierra, thank you.